Welcome to Breaking the News, a special episode of Breaking the Build, and today we are going to talk about the Apple 2019 special event. So buckle up and make sure those outdated Apple devices you purchased a couple months ago are securely stowed and put away, as Apple has let us know that you will be needing to upgrade. Welcome back to Breaking the News. I am your host, Brenton-House, and yes, today is a special episode of Breaking the Build, and we are going to be talking about the big announcements coming out of the 2019 special event yesterday. Okay, or we can talk about some of the other announcements coming out of the special event. The theme for the event was Buy Innovation Only, and in case you didn't watch the live streaming of the event, here's a summary of what you missed. Apple Arcade releases for $4.99 a month, now with Frogger apparently. Apple TV Plus releases for $4.99 a month, now including a Jennifer Aniston sitcom. Apple iPad Generation 7 is the successor to iPad Generation 6, and Apple Watch Series 5 replaces Apple Watch, that's right, Series 4. Apple iPhone 11 follows the iPhone XR, iPhone 11 Pro follows the iPhone XS, and iPhone 11 Pro Max follows the iPhone XS Max. Now, each of these phones also got a new wide-angle camera on them, which has led to a whole new slew of memes being released. The cameras on these new phones also has a night mode for very low light environments, and apparently some kind of pet mode for taking pictures of animals. They have also added a front-facing SLO-MO camera to the phones, and unfortunately have tried to make Slofie happen. As part of the innovations, Apple has also decided to release the new iPhones in an assortment of new colors. Battery life on the new iPhones has been extended, that is right. For the new iPhone 11, it has been extended by 1 hour. 4 hours for the new iPhone Pro, and 5 hours for the iPhone Pro Max. 3D Touch appears to have gone the way of the dodo and is missing from all the new iPhones. Instead, it looks like this has been replaced with the simulated haptic touch feature. The Apple Watch now comes with a compass app and an 18-hour always-on display, thus negating the need for any type of sleep monitoring. There is also now an Apple Research app for those interested in officially sharing your private health details of your life with an Apple partner. However, Apple has promised to respect users' data privacy, saying that, quote, "You decide what data you want to share," end quote. With the studios, and that Apple cannot access any information that directly identifies you. I don't know what everyone is so concerned about. It's not like there's an epidemic of private information being shared around by a bunch of companies or anything. Now, here are some of the things that you didn't hear about at this year's Apple event. A USB-C connector, an iPhone SE replacement, an Apple Tile competitor, Apple Watch sleep tracking, a 16-inch MacBook, or any other Mac computer for that matter. Now, to be fair, Apple usually has another event around the October timeframe, but for most of these things, you'll probably have to wait until next year at the earliest. Now, combine all this new hardware from the iPhones, iPads, and Apple Watches, and combine that with iOS 13 releases, and developers will have their hands full updating their apps to support new hardware such as multiple cameras, and software features such as the iPad OS, dark mode, symbols, and more. Well, that's it for today's special episode of Breaking the Build. I'm Brenton-House. Until next time, keep coding strong.